It's time for
Chris and Adonis! Hello, and welcome to the first port of call on our Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady Western Caribbean Charm Cruise. This is San Miguel on the western coast of Cozumel. Cozumel is an island off the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula opposite Playa del Carmen. Our cruise was delayed the previous day due to a helicopter evacuation for a medical emergency and resulted in an itinerary change. Cozumel was not on the original itinerary, but its location made it ideal as a replacement for Roatan Honduras, which was our farthest port of call on the original itinerary. We were a little disappointed because Roatan would have been a new port for us, and we had visited Cozumel on a previous cruise. Ships dock at the end of the pier for the Punta Langosta cruise terminal. Passengers can walk on the pier to the terminal, or they can ride on a shuttle if the distance is too long for them. Pose with the Isla Cozumel sign with your ship in the background whenever you visit Cozumel. You can get some interesting pictures from different angles or settings. Use your own judgment about allowing fellow tourists to take pictures for you. You can always do a selfie when necessary. Rafael E. Melgar Avenue runs along the west coast of Cozumel through San Miguel. Residents and tourists alike can access the grocery stores, restaurants, and shopping that line this bustling street. The pedestrian bridge offers a great view of the avenue and safe passage to the Plaza Punta Langosta. From this elevated vantage point, you can take in another perspective of the pier. Some of the tour companies use the space below as a starting point or waiting area for their guided tours. You may find a special souvenir inside this building, or spot a celebrity like the Adonis! The Cozumel Channel can be rough and choppy if you take the ferry to the mainland. We are happy that we can capture the front of the ship on video and photo as we make our way back. Next to our Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady ship is the Disney Magic. Only 2 ships at a time can use this pier in Cozumel. Always take an opportunity to enjoy views between 2 ships like this one. Check out the mermaid with the Virgin banner stamped on the Valiant Lady. We rode a tricycle shuttle like this earlier on our visit. San Miguel lights up as dusk falls. When we visited Cozumel on a previous cruise, We took a ferry across the Cozumel Channel to Playa del Carmen to take an excursion to Chichen Itza. We mentioned earlier that the channel could be rough and choppy. It was so bad that several passengers on the ferry got sick and vomited into plastic bags provided to them. Beware if you are sensitive to the sights and sounds of people barfing. For this reason, we did not do an excursion in this port. With all passengers on board and crew checks completed, our ship departs from Cozumel in the dark and sails to the next port of call. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, click the red subscribe button below. And keep up with our latest videos by clicking the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out these other videos, and we'll see you next time.